Hi, I'm Dr. Roli Rangappa. I'm an Ayurvedic physician. I attended Dr. Anamika's Magnificent Morning program, which was out of the world. Um, I think that was the only missing link, like getting up in the morning, setting a good routine for myself, because this was the only missing link in my life. I felt so. I was very much motivated to join this program, and I got much more than I wanted. I think every day the session, whatever she spoke, and even the question and answers which others people asked, they, I felt they were meant for me. So everything has helped me. Thank you, Dr. Anamika. I really appreciate for the service you are doing. Thanks.
This is Vipin Tiwari. I just attended a 7 days magnificent morning program by Dr. Anamika. The program is value addition to your life. Anyone who is looking for a change, for a prosperous and happy life, please do attend. It's very logical, coming from science, and it is very helpful. I have attended the program and I can tell you it is working like magic. Thank you.
Myself, Taruni. Magnificent Morning has helped me out in many of the aspects. It has created a new me. Yes, it has made me more systematic, more disciplined, more productive. So it has given me a clear vision to move ahead. And the best part is that what I like about Dr. Namika is a mentorship. The way she simplifies things to make you understand and implement those things in your routine life, that is just adorable. I'll recommend everyone to join to join Magnificent Morning, because definitely it will give a clear thought process, a clear vision to you. Thank you.
I just want to tell you one thing, Dr. Namika. You're a gem. You've made me look inside me. You've made me have a better version of myself and the world around. I can, I have a better clarity about the things that I have to do in my life, and I shall always be very much thankful to you. This is my second time that I am doing this Magnificent Mornings, and I will recommend it to everybody around me. I have been a part of WFC also, and in coming future I shall definitely be a part of MLC. I just want to be connected with you always, because you have such a positive aura, and it gives me, just talking to you, just listening to you, it gives me, goosebumps. Every time I listen to you, I just have a better clarity of what I have to do in my life. Thank you so much for being with me and helping me have this, make this journey of life beautiful. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I am completely thankful to Dr. Anamika for this beautiful program that she has put together. I have immensely learnt and improved myself with all the tasks that she's been giving us, with all the assignments that we've been doing together. It has brought a lot of sense of relief and changes in me that I'd want so many of you to experience. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Anamika for bringing this to us, and I promise to stay tuned. And I'm also joining her level 1 program, where she's going to take us deeper into it. I assure you guys that if you join, I'm sure you will also progress to a certain extent in whatever way you take action. So highly recommend this course to everyone. Thank you, doctor.
Hello everyone, I'm Shravani and probably the youngest student in this batch. I enjoyed Magnificent Mornings very much, and the thing I liked about Anamika ma'am, that she is a positive soul and she brings happiness along with herself to the lecture. And after this workshop, I feel like my life is changed. I don't think about negative thoughts anymore, and I'm more confident after this workshop. I feel that this workshop is the turning point of my life. My dad also had completed this workshop, and from the very next day, I started spotting some kind of change in him. he started finding happiness in everything. So then I thought I have to join this session, and after I joined this session, it really changed my life. So thank you so much, Anamika ma'am, and I would recommend this session to everyone, my family and friends. Thank you very much.
Hello. So Magnificent Morning has really helped me in various ways. Firstly, to have a really good sleep, which I was really struggling with. Secondly, I would say how to cut down my negative thoughts. Dr. Anamika will gonna teach you how to cut down the negative thoughts at the same moment. Thirdly, how to use your energy in the right place at the right time. What I really liked about Dr. Anamika is that she will help you with all the logical techniques you can apply in your life, which will help you to connect with the nature, to help you connect with yourself, which is the most important thing I really find with myself. I feel that I have started loving myself a lot. Why would I recommend MM to anyone? If you're really struggling to love yourself, to take out time for yourself, then you should attend this course once. This course will let you know, if you'll start loving yourself, you will love others more than ever. And because once you will be happy, everybody around will be more happier. You will see all the positivity around you. So guys, go for this course at least once in a life. Thank you.
It's been really helpful in terms of knowing scientific rationales behind what we do, and also the biggest support for me was how to correlate why you do things, because I definitely believe we're not doing things which are bad. It's nature who makes us do what we do, but conditioning ourselves, understanding the rationale behind what we do was really helpful. And I think it's really good to develop a habit, but it is also good to understand that if we are not able to follow, there are reasons behind it, and we can definitely train our mind to overcome those challenges which we do. So it was really a very good course and very scientific. Thank you very much.